Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So is this is it's my first video voiceover. So I will asking about Facebook ads implementation in Android Studio. So don't waste time. Let's start this video. First of all, we will create ad placement ID for interstitial ad. Go to integration. Go to properties. Open your app. Open your ad space. Create new ad placement. My internet connection are too slow. Sorry for this. So I will ask you about interstitial ad. Create this. Interstitial ads. So don't will feel it. Create it. Simply copy this code. You will generate your copy and go to official documentation for interstitial Facebook ads. This is the official documentation here. Open Android Studio and open your project. So add your ID. Simply we create a add your placement ID. Change this to interstitial. Interstitial add shortcut. Add your ad ID. Add unit ID. So you can see how can implement a official way interstitial ad. So we'll add this. I will already add. You can not add it. You can add this. Okay. Create a private variable. Sorry. Main activity.java. Interstitial ad. This package I already imported. So this is the import. So first of all, you will create a button. So this the main create a button to show ad. Then let's create a button. The content ms 10 ad. So this is the related layout. Enter horizontal to enter in parent. Okay. So we assign the ID. Then show ads. So create a button variable. Variable. Wait. Button. Button. Ads. Okay. Click Alt Enter to import this package. Button. And let's find view by ID. Go ID. Now button. Show ads. So let's initialize the interstitial ad. Right. Interstitial ad is equals new interstitial ad. Okay. So we will pass the context main activity dot this and pass that placement ID. We will add it in a config activity dot in. Okay. Go to official document, see what this is the okay, showing interstitial ad. String type. Okay. So in this method we will add it on a button click and this method are load main method. Okay. So I will go first of all get a tag drop t equals main activity. So okay. So button set on quick listener on quick listener. Copy this see, we paste it here. Okay. Here all enter to import all packages. Log package also import. Add error. Okay. No one can error. So loaded a interstitial add. Copy this and paste it here. Okay. So this method paste on button click. It's working properly. Anything? Yes. Add a one destroy method. I think this is completed. No. Add the hardware acceleration on activity with. I think I am added on previous video lecture. No. So let's add hardware acceleration to also activity. Hardware acceleration to. Let's run the project and see how can see how this emulator I will already added in my Facebook manager and network manager for testing purpose. So we will run this project. Okay. I will run it the project. It's working properly. I will see. So then we click a show ads button. Okay. It's working properly. I said interstitial ad are loaded to this. Okay. So one more time. It's working properly. So finish that tutorial. Next tutorial I will ask you about how to show ads on list view, banner ads on list view.